Compounds that are comprised of nonmetals are covalent. More than 90% of all chemical compounds known are covalent compounds with carbon. Some examples of covalent compounds include water, with a formula capital H subscript 2 capital O. Both hydrogen and oxygen are nonmetals. Glucose is another covalent compound with a formula of capital C subscript 6, capital H subscript 12, capital O subscript 6. Carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen are nonmetals. It will be important to distinguish between covalent compounds and ionic compounds. The vast majority of ionic compounds have a metal and a nonmetal. We will assume that any compound that has a metal in the formula is ionic. An example of an ionic compound is sodium chloride, capital N lowercase a, capital C lowercase l, and we know sodium is a metal. Let's practice distinguishing covalent from ionic compounds. Identify each compound as covalent or ionic. Compound 1 has a formula of capital C, capital O subscript 2. Compound 2 has a formula of capital F, lowercase e subscript 2, capital O subscript 3. Compound 3 has a formula of capital N, capital H subscript 3. And compound 4 has a formula of capital H subscript 2, capital O subscript 2. Get your periodic table and pause the video to answer this. Looking at the periodic table, we see that carbon with a symbol of capital C, oxygen with a symbol of capital O, and nitrogen with a symbol of capital N are all nonmetals, since they are on the right side of the periodic table. Hydrogen with a symbol of capital H is the only nonmetal that is on the left side of the periodic table. Capital F, lowercase e, is the symbol for iron, and it is on the left of the periodic table and is a metal. Thus, compound 1, which is made of carbon and oxygen, is covalent. Compound 2, which is made of iron and oxygen, is ionic. Compound 3, which is made of nitrogen and hydrogen, is covalent. And compound 4, which is made of hydrogen and oxygen, is covalent.